Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can resize your rows or columns in Microsoft Excel, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. So this is just a simple estimation. So now if you want to resize your columns or row, let's start with columns. So you can come up here with the column, select the column that you would like to resize. Let's say maybe you want to resize this, right? So select it up there and then come at the edge here in this line. You see you got that close right there. So now just right click on your mouse, left click, sorry, on your mouse, and then drag it. As you can see, you can move it right there. As you can see, now you have resized it right there. So just come to the edge and then you get that cross and then move it in if you want to resize it or make it small, right? That's how you can resize your columns. And then you can do with whichever. You can select this one up here and then resize it, come to the edge, get that close, left click on your mouse and then just drag it in if you want to make it small, right? And then drag and then drag it out if you want to expand it, right? That's how you can resize your column. Now with the row, you can do the same with the row. You can just come to the edge here and then select whatever row you want to expand. Let's say you want to expand that row, right? You can click on that and then you can come up here or right here as long as you got that cross, and then let's come up here and then drag it down. Right click and then drag it down. And then as you can see, you have resized that. You can expand it and then you can do the same if you want to resize it, make it small. You can drag it and then drag it down. So that's how you can resize your rows or column in Microsoft Word Excel. So yeah, that's it. It's simple, really. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.